How does a bank help its customers stay on track for retirement? For Wells Fargo, the answer was easy. Give them tools to mark the road to retirement readiness. Existing tools were static and often discouraging. So when Wells Fargo came to us with the opportunity to help portray retirement as something tangible, we got to work. After months of research, collaboration, testing, and integrating Wells Fargo's complex algorithms, the result was the interactive Retirement Income Estimator. The tool provides a simple, intuitive way to interact with different retirement variables. Customers can easily adjust key factors like contribution rates, income replacement levels, retirement age, and life expectancy, while income projection numbers react dynamically as changes are made. For true customization, customers can estimate annual rates of return and see the impact of Social Security benefits with their retirement. The interactive interface also includes real-time gap analysis and alternative savings scenarios. Where more information is needed, quick links and definitions help educate and prompt customers to act on what they see. The tool won Wells Fargo a gold medal from the Retirement Plan Monitor Awards for its powerful, user-friendly, and comprehensive design. Most importantly, the experience helps instill a confidence in customers that when it comes to retiring, they can do this.